Hey everyone, today I'm doing a little update on the Mini. Got a bit of work planned for the winter, namely I'm going to do some work to that exhaust. So let's get to it. Many of you might know this car already. Originally I built it as just a naturally aspirated B18 Mini, but always wanted a bit more, so I sent it to a well-known Honda tuning guy. His name is Lee. He owns LF Honda Developments. You should check him out. He really knows his stuff. He made me this turbo kit and it's been great. I did notice though on the downpipe, just down there, slight crack, just a slight crack came. So I contacted Lee and he said, yeah, no problem, bring it down and we'll weld it up for you. So I thought, yeah, okay. But whilst I brought it to him, or whilst I was bringing it to him, I thought, can we change that to stainless and also change that to stainless? So yeah, now I'm bringing it down to him and he's gonna build me a whole new exhaust, which is nice. He's about 100 miles away from me, so I don't know if you can see the van there, but yeah, went up and picked up the van last night. Gosh, it was so cold.
It's so cold.
It was so wet.
It's so wet.
It was so dark.
It's so dark.
I'm pretty sure there was a mountain lion or something that started chasing me.
It's so... Oh, shit.
But yeah, finally got the van. I had to move the wife's car out the way, shove it on the drive. Anyway, it's here now. So we're going to get this thing loaded in and then we're going to look at getting this down to Lee and he's going to build me a new exhaust. So yeah, whilst I was discussing with Lee about getting a new manifold, he suggested I put a different turbo on there as well, just for the shits and giggles. I'm not sure whether to do that because I mean this Nagasaki Noisy Boy is already pretty quick enough for me, but strapping another Fukushima faster fan on there is not going to be a bad idea, I suppose, or however you want to call them. Asian atmosphere amplifiers, Mongolian huff and puff, wasabi windmill, a Beijing blower or a ching chong choo choo, they all do the same thing. Basically, we're going to look at putting another Chinese turbo on there. So yeah, let's get this thing in there. Oh, hello. This bloody car bleeds me dry, I'll tell you that.
Come to me. Good Lord.
Right, we're all loaded up, we're on the road. Let's get it to Lee. Thank God no one saw that. Right, cars are already now with Lee. Let's get back on the road, a couple of hours back home, and then, yeah, I guess we'll update you when the car's done. Woo.